5 secrets to get rid of smelly feet.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Increased sweating was related to yeast infections and stress. These factors may allow germs and unpleasant smells to develop. So check out our new video for some great ideas on how to get rid of stinky feet. Number 1. At home, go barefoot. It's essential to take off your socks after you've worn them outside. When your socks get filthy from the floor, they pick germs up and carry them into a wet setting, where they may reproduce. Number 2. Apply antiperspirant to your feet as well. To dry skin, apply antiperspirants at night after a shower, as these chemicals reduce sweating. Number 3. Consult your doctor. If your feet become itchy and peeling after smelling them, see a doctor. Symptoms of ringworm infection or mycosis are typically mistaken for one another. It's a condition caused by fungal parasites. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. A poultice of apple cider vinegar will also aid in the removal of foot odors. Soak a piece of gauze in 2 cups of vinegar and warm water, then apply it to your feet for 20 minutes. Allow the skin to dry naturally after soaking. Number 5. Use aromatherapy oils. Lavanduroi will be ideal for hiding the stench. It's also antibacterial, so apply 4 drops of oil to your feet or make a foot bath with 3 to 4 teaspoons of water and 2 drops of oil. Soak your feet in the solution for 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you for watching.